Hello netizen! Welcome to my YouTube channel, Pinchik Vlog. This is Ate Panmu. Cooking time po tayo ngayon. Anyway, ito po ang aking niluto for today. Wow! You know what is that? Salmon na sinigang. Sinigang na salmon. Ayan po. Siyempre po, kailangan po natin ng pangsigang para yan ay maging maasim. Kasi sinigang nga ang tawag. This is one of our Filipino dish. At ayan po, actually naluto na. So, ang gagawin ko na lang po ay kukwento ko kung paano na iluto. Chika-chika na lang tayo kung paano ko niluto yung sinigang na salmon. Of course, importante po ang ating pangsigang na sampalok with gabi. Yan. Ang ating rekwado po sa ating sinigang for the day ay, syempre, ano pa, kundi ang ating salmon fish. Ayan, kung nakikita nyo. And then, kamatis. Ayan, nakita nyo ang ating kamatis. At ito ay talong. Talong or eggplant. Okay? Eggplant, kamatis or tomato, salmon fish, salmon, and you know this one is our green pepper. Yan. Yan po ang ating pang konting anghang at pandagdag lasa sa ating sinigang. Ayan, ang sinigang po ay masustansya sa ating katawan. Kaya dapat po magluluto po tayo niyan. Ang talong, wait, ito po pala yung ating okra. Okay, naputol ko na eh. Yan ang buntot ng okra natin. Oh. Yan, okra. Nakalimutan ko na kung ano sa English yan. And radish. This is white radish. Okay? Aha. At yan po, nakita nyo yung okra. Hinati ko. Hindi ko na tinanggal ang ulo. Kasi po, dagdag sa sustansya yan. And then, ayan po kung nakikita nyo yun, ay sibuyas, onion, and string beans. String beans, onion. Ayan. Ayan po, pag yan luhaluin natin, yan po ang madidiscover natin sa ating sinigang. Ayan. Sarap-sarap na yan. Okay? So, gawin nyo po, unahin nyo syempre, alam nyo na kung unahin nyo yung mga medyo matitigas. Unahin natin ang radish, palambutin. We put first the radish. Ayan, you know naman, you have different way of cutting it, but you can cut it in a way you like. But this is the one I like, smaller, because my salmon piece is easily to cook, okay? But if you cook sinigang pork, you can make it big cut. But because my salmon is easy to cook, so I cut my radish into a small pieces. So first you put the radish, and then boil it with your tomato, with onion, and then pag medyo of course you put some water, cover it, yan, and it's good to cook it in Salad Master so you can get the healthy benefits of your food from the cookware, because Salad Master is made of titanium, so it doesn't have any chemical reaction, and we don't need to put any seasoning like bechin or MSG or Nor chicken. You don't need to put any seasoning because it's so nutritious. And when you hear it calling you like that, it means to say it's really hot, because that is the baby fat. Yan. So that's very good to use Salad Master when cooking the food, kasi po it's really healthy. Okay, so I'll show you. Ayan po. After you boil the tomato and the radish and become very soft, next you put all the other ingredients, the other vegetable like the string beans, the okra, the eggplant, yan. And then also put the fish, okay? So that's the second batch you will put. And then when you put the second batch, okay, you cover it first, so to leave it boiling until all becomes soft. And you can estimate how many minutes you like to boil it, because it depends on you if you like the vegetable to become very soft or you like it to be half cooked. So it's up to you. And you know the nutritious you get from this, because they are all vegetables, and especially if you're if the one eating it are children or old people, make the vegetable a bit more soft so they can easily chew it. And actually, when it's already hot, you can make it a bit lower. You lower the temperature, or you make it a little bit lower the fire, so it won't overcook na the food, and also the one will not easily finish hindi maubos, the water will not easily evaporate or disappear. Yan, okay. So, now, if you already know that the fish and the other vegetables already cooked, yan, maybe around 5 or 10 minutes, so it depends upon you. Then you will put now the vegetable, because the last one should be the vegetable, the one leafy vegetable. You can put any kind of vegetable like this. Use this kind of vegetable. It's look like the long lettuce, but because I don't have much this one, so I use this is the one I use, the pechay. Yan. And the pechay, of course, if other people will not eat yet, so you don't need to put all, because some people they like it half cooked. So you just put the quantity you like to eat first. Don't put all. When the other people like to eat, then you can put it, okay? So you leave it here, boiling it, so that it will become not overcooked. Yeah, and the color will still be color green. Yan. So this is our vegetable for our sinigang. Yan, and dip nyo. Yan. And then after that, leave it for a while, boil it for a while. And it's up to you if you still want to close it or leave it open, so that the color will not turn ugly. Because they said that if you don't close it, the color will remain greenish like that. Okay? So keep it on boiling. Yan, make it a bit strong fire, so it will boil. And then after that, then you can put it low fire again. Just for a while, leave it boiling. Yan. And the other, leave it later on for the other people to eat. Yan. Okay. Masustansya ang gusto. So after that, don't forget to put the salt. Of course, lalagyan natin ng salt. Hindi ko makita yung salt. Anyway, ito yung salt natin. Hindi ko maipakita ng salt. Alam niyo naman ang salt is asin, okay? You can put in this quantity, malaki kasi may container, can you 2 to 3 teaspoon of salt, okay? And then you can see it's boiling. And then you taste it if the taste is right and the asim is right, okay? If you want more sour, you can add more. You can put a big pack of this for this quantity of soup. Ganyan. Then, if you notice, ayan na, nagkulay-kulay, ano na siya. Nabuboil na siya, and the vegetable is there. And then, you don't need to close it na lang. For me, I don't want to close it, so the color of the vegetable is still green. Kasi, look at this one. Okay. Yan. So yummy. So yummy. May sinigang na salmon. And don't always stir it, kasi ano yung bone, no? The meat of the fish will separate from the bone. So leave it like that. Slowly when you get when you want to eat and get the food, just slowly. So the bone, the meat will not take it out from the bone. And then, ayan, meron na tayong nakuhang ilang soup. Nandito na, ayan, nakita nyo. So this is the difference. This is the one, if you didn't close it, the leaves is always green. But if you close it, magiging ganito na ang kulay ng leaves natin. Oh, hindi na siya very green. Kaya, some people, when they cook it, after they cook like that, they will already separate the vegetables, so it won't look really ugly. I mean, the color will still remain green. So the way you do is just take it out and put it in one container. Because if no, it will become like this. Color will become like this. So this is the one I will trying to eat. Yes, so you come and eat with me. Wow, so yummy. I like it. Especially with the salmon fish. Very healthy. Yan. And this one, you don't need to cover well. Ganyan lang. Leave it like that for a while, so that the color of the vegetable will not turn dark green. It will remain the color of the soup like that. The vegetable like that is still green, very green. You see, this one already ugly green. Look like not fresh, but this one is still fresh. So don't cover it well, like that na lang. Okay, then this is our soup. Yay! Time to drink our soup. Yay! Sinigang na soup with salmon. Oops, medyo mainit. Dahan-dahan bigla. Let me try my soup. Ay! Yummy! Super yummy. medyo may kaanghangan. Kasi nga dalawa nilagay. I put 2 green long pepper. So like this. Okay. Ready for my soup. Kain muna ako ng soup. Mamaya na ako kain ng kanin. I can smell it's good and there is lots of vegetable. Pero I just want to concentrate with my pak choy, so I put lots of pak choy here. Kakainin natin. Yan po. So mukbang tayo, mukbang sinigang na salmon. And thank you for this blessing. You know, this salmon fish is being given by my friend Ate Gloria. Thank you. Because marami siyang salmon and binigay niya sa akin yan. So that's a blessing. Yan. At masustansya yan kasi yung tinik niya, syempre mas maraming napupunta sa soup. So yung sustansya niyang soup natin ay super duper. Very healthy. Okay. So, yan po ang ating sinigang na salmon. And next time, I will show you how I cook it. Na from the beginning, from cutting the vegetable. But I know some of you already know how to cook it. Diba? But for those who doesn't know how to cook it from the beginning, from going to market to buy the vegetable and cutting it and washing it and cleaning it and step by step doing how to cook our Filipino dish sinigang, please watch my other vlog because I have other vlogs showing how to cook this one. Okay? So now, let's try our sinigang na salmon. Yes, it's healthy. You can also add other vegetable that you like. If you add some more, you can add the gabi. Some people, they add gabi. In Chinese, taro. I don't know what you call that in English, but I think they also call it gabi. Yeah, taro. I think English is taro. I'm not sure. Yeah, you can find it in Google. Yeah, anyway, ayan. Yan po ang sustansyang nabibigay sa atin ng sinigang na this is one of our famous Filipino dish, sinigang. You can use fish, you can use pork, you can use beef. But I know, before I don't know it, but I know now that you can also use sinigang na manok. Actually, I'm not cooking sinigang na manok. I don't know that you can also cook sinigang na manok. And maybe next time I will try it. But it's really, I tried it. Somebody cooked sinigang na manok. And it's really delicious also. But because my family is not get used of cooking sinigang na manok. So, it's just a bit like strange. I didn't know. There is sinigang na manok pala. Okay, so you comment down below how you cook the sinigang na manok because I really don't know how to cook that one. And I tried it one time. It's so yummy. And one of my favorite sinigang is sinigang na bangos or milk fish. Sa English yung bangos. Sinigang na bangos. Ang sarap. Lalong-lalo na po yung gitna niya, especially kung may taba-taba pa. Yung, wow, naglalaway ako tuloy. Yung gitna niya, na tiyan, may taba-taba. Ang sarap. Yan ang isa sa paborito ko. At yung ulo na sinisip-sip-sip-sip. Lalo ng pisngi ng ating bangos. Yan. So, sa sinigang, yan po ang weakness ko, yung sinigang na bangos natin. Masarap. Pero dito sa Hong Kong kasi, bihira ang sinigang mahal. Bihira kasi ang bangos dito, medyo mahal-mahal. At saka, syempre, galing Pilipinas yun. Kaya, syempre, the price is right. Kaya, yun po. Kaya, bihira ako magluto ng sinigang na bangos. Mostly, itong bigay sa akin na sinigang na salmon. So, thank you for this blessing. Sinigang na blessing. Sinigang na bangos. Yan. Thank you and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Pinchik Vlog. This is Ate Panmoy signing off. Bye-bye!